So that brings our total to 1,700. And I sent them my Google stamped it with that. And then I also...
RVs, buses, any kinds of vehicles like that?
Yes, we do. That's no problem.
Oh, perfect. And also I wanted to know if you were available next Tuesday on the 13th to clean 2 buses for me for a show.
Okay, no problem. Can you give me more insight on what you're looking to get done to the buses? Inside, out, wash, wax?
Okay, so no wax, just probably a wash on the outside. These are brand new buses coming from a manufacturing company.
Okay.
So there are demos. So they're not severely dirty or anything like that, but they will be sitting at a show, so they gotta look, shiny and pretty.
How did you hear about us?
I looked you up. Pretty much, I looked up anybody that does mobile detailing through Google and on the map, and yours popped up. It popped up a list, and yours was pretty much one of the only ones that kind of showed an RV on there on the pictures. So I pretty much followed that pattern through whoever I try to get to wash our buses, because it's very rare when we find somebody that wants to or can clean big vehicles.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you reaching out. Well, we'll take care of you. Thanks for reaching out. We are the highest rated mobile detailers in Sacramento, so you found the right team to come out and take care of you. We have 333 5-star reviews, and we definitely have you taken care of. Let's go ahead and get those pictures sent over.
Yo, Wayne, how we talked about it in another video. Just got a phone call from Google.
Yeah.
But the main reason you really got it was because of the pictures.
Because of the pictures, brother. This is new, Rez.
Yeah.
Look, you was just talking about it. That's wild. I just recently posted some RV pictures a couple weeks ago. Me and Jay knocked out a RV, and I posted quite a bit of photos. And they went through it and found it and said, hey, that's the guy right there. Go ahead and give him a call. So this is...
You gotta get one with a boat too, bro.
2 buses. They're traveling from a different area, state, wherever. I don't know where they're coming from, but it's an electric event. So these are electric buses.
I want to go to the event.
And they want us to do it a day before the event, just a wash and cleaning inside. The floors, they said mop the floors and stuff. So she's gonna send pictures, which I'm waiting on, and to give her a quote. So
what are you thinking the quote?
Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line up what I charge for my cars, and then it's gonna be double that because it's bigger. So I'm gonna come up with something. I do need to get some foundation with the buses, RVs, boats, and have them online. Right now, I just give a quote based off of what I think it should be charged. But this is something that's being developed. I'm getting more and more RV and boats, so it's time to get that system for that going.
Now, for example, right now, you're doing a camper or is it an RV?
This is a tiny RV, man.
To be honest, I would say it's like a little pop-up camper, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come on, and you're doing the interior for this one.
Right.
How much are you charging for this one?
$350. I feel like it should have been more, but this is just me learning, because I say this should have been about $500 to $600, to be honest. But me going through this, like when I look at it, us as detailers, we're like, man, we about to run through this. As soon as you get in there, get to working, you're like, bro, what did I do? What did I just do? So comment down below if I underquoted. We in here relaxing, chilling, like I ain't paying people hourly right now. And I got fellowship at 6:30, bro. We got in about an hour and 30 minutes to wrap this up. So we got to get on, man.
Wayne, so the 2 bus customer, you're about to shoot them a quote, and you were asking us all what we thought about the price.
Right.
What did you determine? What are you sending them?
Okay, so I sent them the quote over. We came up with $1,050 for the 40-foot bus, and we put in there that it's gonna come with 6 to 12 months of ceramic wax sealant. They said they really wanted it to shine. It's gonna come with a thorough wipe down of all cracks and crevices, vacuum, interior wipe down, tire scrub and shine, rims, chromes polished. It's pretty much just a full detail inside and out on both. In a smaller 25-foot, we came up with $650. So that brings our total to 1,700. And I sent them my Google stamped it with that. And then I also put on here all the stuff that's included, which I got from my website. and I'm just gonna send it over to them like that. And depending on what they say, we'll negotiate from there. So I'm not really worried about it because I know that the Lord provides, and there's much more work that's gonna be coming in. So it's all a learning lesson right here as we're interacting, and it lets me know I got to get that stuff on my website, Rez.
Yep.
Concrete stuff. So
because I mean, you got this just because of the pictures. So imagine if you post more pictures of different jobs you do. They send you pictures of the bus?
yeah, check it out.
Oh, it's a school bus.
Yeah, it's a big thing, man.
It's electric?
Electric.
They make them electric now?
Yeah, they're making them electric, man. So that's electric. Here's the inside. Here's the 25-foot one. There it is. Inside, right here. You guys can see. A lot of rolls, a lot of wiping down. Yeah, it's gonna take some time.
Is this an all-day project or you don't know?
I would take the day off, bro.
Yeah.
Just make sure I show them that we're dedicated to spending all day on these buses.
All right, when I heard on the street, they replied back.
Oh, they did, bro.
When did it happening?
So what ended up happening is when I sent them the list of things that was included, they said, hey, we don't need this, we don't need the spray wax, we don't need the chrome polish, we don't need the this, that, and that. And she sent me and grabbed from the list of the things that she wanted. She said, I just want a basic wash. No spray wax, no extra stuff. So we literally just washing. And she said, I just want this wiped down, mopped, and just a few spots to dash. Like she literally just said, just a touch up type of thing. So we agreed to $650 for the 40-foot and $450 for the 25-foot, which brings us to a total of what?
1100?
1100. There you go. And that should only take us about max 5-6 hours. Probably not even that if I got a crew of 3 of us total. William, he on the phone right now and he said, that ain't gonna take you. I like to give a high number because you never know what to expect when you get out here to these places. So I'll just book it in for that just to play it safe. You know what I mean? But I do have 3 cars before that. So if I can squeeze the 2 company vehicles plus the personal vehicle of another person, that's a big day. That's like a 2,500 day, y'all. Who the Lord is good and he provides. Come on.